Good morning everyone, Nathan with Aft-Tek here, and we got in this Tracker 1654. We are going to do a custom Aquatraction job on this whole entire boat. It's going to be super sick. So far what we've done to it is we've patched these core-filled holes with some Bondo just to make it all flat. From there, we digitally scanned, and I'll show it right here on the whole 3D scan that we did. And then now we're going to go through the design process, the programming, and the CNC machining. Alright, so after we got it extracted from the digitizer, you can see we have the top deck here, we have the gunnels here, and a little bit of the kick plates. And then the cockpit walls, kind of see it there. And then we have the back transom area where the back pods are. Alright, so we have our file here. This is all in 3D. We took those and then rotated them all flat to ensure we're cutting them in 2D. Then cleaned up all the lines. You can see here that some were discontinued. This is supposed to be a circle. So the scanner gets the raw files, and then we have to go through and actually physically clean them up using our CAD software. Once we get that, we align the entire boat. We add in some seam lines and stuff. And then we break them up into our sheet sizes, and then we add in some patterns. So here's the color combination we'll be going with. So this is black on charcoal and charcoal on black. So we have all separate pads here integrating these all together. So this is one section here, section, section. And so we're able then to add in these cool designs, topographic down the middle, hexagon pattern throughout the sides. So we're going to start programming this, start CNCing it, and then start installing it today. Alright, so we have our charcoal black loaded up on the table. We are getting the tools all tighted, ready to go. Start machining this out. So this is what we're cutting right here. We just got half a sheet of charcoal on black. So start machining it right now. Got our first pass done. This is our ball bit that we use for the edges. Alright, so we just got done milling out with our tool 1, our ball bit. Now we're going to start running the knife. Alright, so we got everything cut out with the drag knife. Now we can take all these pieces out. Now we're ready to install them in the boat. Alright, we're getting this boat all prepped and ready. We use Primer 94. It's an adhesive promoter, and so that ensures that the PSA sticks really good. So we're going to go through, prime all the surfaces that are getting covered, and then we'll be ready to install Aquatraction then. Back here, we are cutting the charcoal on black. So we're doing a cool topographic design with tool 5 and tool 3. That's our 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch bit, alternating back and forth. Alright guys, riverboat's coming along really nicely. We're just laying the pieces in there to kind of, it's just like a big puzzle. Putting everything in place just to make sure we get everything lined up. What we're going to be doing is installing this in sections. And so like this whole front deck will be one section. This wraparound will be like its own sections, because this doesn't butt up to anything. It's its own pad, own pad, own pad. So anything that butts up to each other, we're going to tack them in place. And then once everything's all tacked in this one section, then we're going to then fully install it. So in the meantime, what I'm going to be doing is just taking these pads and scoring this. As you can see, I've already done there. So this is paper backing, so this is PSA. We apply PSA to the sheets, and then it's just like a big sticker. So now we can take this, fold it over 2 inches, fold it over 2 inches, align it in the boat, and then tack it. So we tack, 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 tack. Tack everything before we fully install.